Hello my YouTube friends, today I am going to discuss you and show you a very easy to use kitchen application, that is vegetable chopper and hand blender. Without delaying, let's start it. First of all, I am going to open the packet and scissor it. I am scissoring the packet now. It is scissored with my pair of scissors and it is scissored already. And the main item is open. I am going to open the main item packet here. Yes, see the main item. It is from Prison and handy chopper it is. As I have said in my intro, and see this is the all sides of the packet. See its peripherals, its get up. Yes, it is from outside. And after it, I am going to show you the inner side. You have seen it. You have seen the blending of vegetables here, and see the packet here. And I have opened it already. And I am now opening the upper side and showing the blades here. This is the blades, and the hole is to be used to fin up the hole and like this, and here is the fin, you can see this, and it is to be stuck here and like this here, and the upper side is to be stuck on, and it is, see this hole, and upper side is stuck here, is to be stuck here. It is stuck already. Upper side is stuck here. You can see this is, and here is the series. See like this, and see how it works, and like this it can cut which will inside. It may vegetable or any other soft thing like this. The choppers like things, the blades will cut this, and here it is, very handy thing. You can see this is. Finally, I am at its end, so bye bye.